What's up, YouTube family? This is Ashley from the Pinkstuff family, back with another video. And you guys, today I'm doing a clean with me video, and I am using this product called the Pink Stuff. And you guys, I've been seeing so many like TikToks and things using this product, claiming that it works on everything. So basically, all you do is take your rag and rub it in the stuff. It's kind of like pasty. To me, it has like a sweet, smell to it. Maybe I'm just hungry because I don't have nobody who came for me today. So please bear with me. It seems to be working. If you know me and you watch my other videos, you guys know I'm very cheap. So for me to go buy a product, this costs $7 on Amazon. I hope it works like it says. So far, so good, you guys. See this right here? See if I can zoom in. See, this is dirty. So it says all you do is just rub your rag in the product. Look at that. And I guess it works on anything. It's basically anything it works on. Because I will continue to clean this whole bathtub with this new product, the Pink Stuff. Because if you watch my other cleaning video with me cleaning the bathrooms, I use a lot of bleach and a lot of chemicals. This might work for me because it's cleaning and I'm not using a lot of harsh chemicals. That's going to bring you 5 days of cleaning. Tomorrow I'm probably going to try to clean my oven. You guys, my oven is a hot mess. And y'all probably going to talk about me really bad in the comments when y'all see my oven, but I don't really use the oven, and y'all probably gonna talk about me when y'all see it. But like I said, this channel, I try to keep it 100% real. My oven is bad, so it'd be a good experiment to see if the Pink Stuff cleans my oven. Maybe the Pink Stuff will sponsor me after they see my oven and see me using their product if it works like they say they do. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and clean the toilet. The toilet's pretty nasty. This is my kid's bathroom. I hardly come in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean the toilet and then I'll be back. Okay guys, this is the inside of the toilet. It's pretty dirty. It's actually disgusting. Again, this is a kid's bathroom, so all you guys already know how it is. Okay guys, I'm gonna rub my rag in the Pink Stuff. And yes, I use my hands to clean the toilet. Judge me in the comments. I don't care. I do have a toilet brush, but I use my hands. And you can see my previous cleaning blue video that I use my hands. So obviously I'm not going to stick the thing back in the water because that would be messy. But it actually makes good bubbles, good soap. The chemical smell is not harsh. Okay guys, I have completed the bottom of the toilet. Now I'm going to work on the back part, back here, all around. I'm going to do the same on this side of the toilet. As well as down here on the floor. Just like I did on the other side. Yeah. Okay, you guys, I am all done cleaning the bathroom, and for me, I give this product a 9 out of 10. Only because I feel like there's not enough product inside the container, and you have to use a lot if you had to do like deep cleaning. So maybe I bought a bigger tub of the pink stuff. But you guys, this is a pretty good product. The toilet is clean. I'm gonna flush it. Yeah, you guys, I'll give it a 9 out of 10. It did the job. It doesn't have any harsh chemical smells. So yeah, that is not dirt or mold. I know that the molding is actually coming off of the wall right there, so I made this come and fix that. This is a sink. So yeah, that is not dirt or mold. I know that the molding is actually coming off of the wall right there, so I made this come and fix that. This is a sink. It actually cleans mirrors as well. So this product is an all-in-one product. You guys, like I said before, I give this product like let's see. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a 10 out of 10. Because I bought a smaller tube, the tub, thinking that I wasn't gonna like the product, but I actually like this product. And I think I'll be using it again. Like I said, I'm gonna give you, excuse me, 5 days of cleaning with the pink stuff. You guys comment down below if you ever used the pink stuff, what you cleaned, what item did you clean with the pink stuff. So my first item I cleaned was the bathroom, my kids' bathroom. I'm gonna go do my bathroom later tonight, which I probably won't record. Then I'm going to clean my oven and my stove. You guys, my oven is so embarrassing. I don't even want to go there with y'all because YouTube is harsh. But I'm gonna go ahead and open up my oven and let y'all see. But anyways, you guys, I just want to say thank you for watching my video. And you know to hit that like button. Please comment. Oh, I lost myself. Please comment down below. Hit the notification bell. And stay tuned for more cleaning with the pink stuff, you guys. Until next time. Bye. I got a bone connection.